Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Mystic Box unboxing. If you don't know what Mystic Box is, it is a book subscription which I pay $27.98, and that includes the tax. Shipping's included. But yeah, let's get started. I got this off of, I think it was Cratejoy, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see what we got. You open the box, this is what you see. Okay. Remove as much of this as possible. Why do they do this to me? Seriously? Okay. Hold up. Okay. Oh, first of all, the little card. As always, the Mystic Box card that they send you for all their social media websites and stuff. Okay. And then it's a 15 War of Roses Book 1, Lena Skye, with a free ebook, which I'm gonna try and claim. But yeah. Alright, so that's something. Okay, the first thing I see is like a little journal. And it says it's not the circumstances that make a person a success, it's how that person responds to those circumstances. By Aretha Romeg, Circumstances. Alright. But it's a journal that you can write all your thoughts and dreams, and lately I've been getting a lot of these, so, but it'll definitely get used eventually. Second thing is, that's kind of cute, is the pin. Cute little puzzle piece pin. Okay, and last but not least, hang on, give me 1 second, guys, is the book itself. Alright, there we go. Okay, is the book itself, which it comes wrapped in like a twisted paper. Okay. Alright. Tangle Web #1 Twisted by Aretha Romeg. And then obviously she signed it. So that's it for what's in the September box. Next week I'll probably do my favorites, because this is the only 2 I'm getting right now is these 2 boxes. I might rearrange or redo my finances enough where I can get more boxes. But like, comment below, click the other thing, the bell, if you want to be notified every time I post a video. Also, click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. And yeah, bye.